Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You know, see, my father is a liar man. My father lied to him children. He lied to him son. And more heap of people children too. You know, see, I'm going to show you how, hear the verse here. This is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in my Benz and more time I ride my bike. I test it a girl with something tight. And that the bad mind dirty, them not like. No. Him a sing about a imaginary glamour. In a gangster lifestyle. You know see it? Where and I really say go cause gangster can't really do them thing there. Him soon dead when him start do them whole heap of thing there. You know see it? The girl part different. Cause every man you don't know. There's enough man in my mind dead that way there. You know see? So I'm telling him about the glamour and the glitter. And make him think it's a bed of rose. You know see it? Him never tell him say it's a tough concrete. You know see it? Where him have to go pay extra and some serious money to get a piece of sponge in the game for lie down pan. Cause that is not allowed. It's a fire hazard inside of the prison. No, if they make different preparation and know where them can possess such enmities. You see what I say? The only thing in that tight, my general, are the fight. The space where you're fighting, where you get for fighting when you're a man punched out. You see it? My father probably would have never even know that because him look like him good at him. The way how him grow for him son, him move like him never even got jail yet go feel a burn for himself. You know see it? And the little stupid excuse them were fans and followers a gear off and them little thing there. I want to know if all him in a fit himself feel like say them thing that if him not embarrassed. Dontae rude. Dontae not behave himself. Dontae not listen when people talk to him. Even if I'm poor, him can't do that. You know see it? Even if I'm poor and my son, I don't want my son do certain things, him can't do it. See, I'm not talking about no brutality and no beating neither. You know see it? Because furthermore, from day one, from day that, words I encourage them when I'm pumping on my son's ears. Make him know so well and certain things not necessary. You know see it? Next thing again, if you're a gangster, you know say you live the life already, your son now have to come live it, man. You know see it? He's still alive, him can live half a year in him. You know see it? We're say rich. You know see it? Now in any case, where your son a do pan move in regards to you. See it? Where you're up on the run and you couldn't call him and tell him say, yo, go up at the house, go lock up. See it? And tell him something like, yo, be a police and soldier running. Go up at the house, go lock up. Chick him and tell him that so that him come out of the place and calm down the atmosphere. Yo, me go buy you a car next year. As soon as you can drive. See? Just stay alive. I stay out of trouble. Stay there. So what kind of car you want? Whatever promise. If it get to that stage, because I don't like I even plan or expect it to get to that stage for me, I make my certain promise. You know, see it and I compensate in the wrong way. In order to get them for meditate and move a certain way. You know, see, I still now work towards that. I don't even to see that right. But still, it's still better than when the right, I know. It is better if they try them. Impression they can't pick me on a problem, pick me, you know. See? Pick me live the way how people grow them. You know, see, and my father was a wannabe gangster, and him say, he might make more money, what the I that man, someone who were rich. I'm telling you about rich gangster from morning, you know. Telling you about Uno man. Rich gangster, Uno worry about the facts well then, Uno are the most dangerous. Because you worry about the facts Uno not a rep. Uno not a real genuine rep. A be a buy, Uno have to buy friends and representation and ratings. I don't know say as soon as you money done, you done too. See? I don't know say whole heap of serious man around the corner watching where do things, prepare for do things more than no. See? I'm paranoid about that as well. You know see it? And as soon as you judge a man physical appearance and see it as a threat, you get rid of them man there. You know see it? Or you turn against them man there, ostracize them man there. You know see it? Worse if the man have an established reputation where more fitting for the position. You know see it? Rich gangster are some of the most wicked, terrifying, stupid, idiot gangster them ever present themselves in the thing. Again, them can only be stupid because the whole pretense of gangsterism is to get rich and regularize yourself, step. None of Jim Brown picked them, really and truly, you know. None of Jim Brown picked them never used to step. Only Jatty. See? And I told Jatty born in the early stage when, you know me, I say certain things, not say born, but grew up a big man before certain things start going. You know, see, so I'm dead up on the ground when the whole thing happened. You know, see, but when him realize say him can manifest certain level, Jim Brown, him buy all a house uptown. I'm an ear say a uptown that does grow. A thief that does use a thief will come down a garden. Him and fat, compare with Fathead and Red Ray. I mean, actually, I remember Fathead name where they are. Fathead is a general. You know, see, years. The man they get a prison. The other day, I see him on a video star a couple of years ago. I couldn't even believe that the general is still in a prison. You know, see, but you don't know a life over that thing, I'm a general. And that was the other door. Yeah, man. More respect, Fathead. Anyway, the car. John, enough thing you teach me, I used to good. And that mean like people business, militancy. That me I talk about. You know, see, yeah, man. And another youth named Crisscross. Again, you know, see, militancy. See, enough, man. You know, see, the list long. You know, see, yeah, and them man there, they just used to thief with and go mash him like a crime all when him not have to do it, because him just a prime himself. You know, see. And so, I want to tell you, say, that's the way of, because of them little action there and stepping there, because of some serious stepping him used to go on with, because you are who he must step with. Serious stepping him used to go on with. See? So from them little input there, him get the preference to become the leader for garden. You know, see? Yeah, but other than that, Jim Brown never did a raising pit. You know, you hear what them name? Go listen to Sir P and hear Sir P tell you them name. And how all him condescending, no blood teeth, that tell you the star, but You know, see it? So I do a video this morning about the whole thing, but I still grieve. I have to lay responsibility to start it there. My father is a worthless father. No matter how much clocks you buy, you pick there, no matter how much new phone with school you did I send him, or what? You see, if you wasn't being that positive influence in him headspace where create and demand certain expectations out of him, him could have never ever be like that. You know, see it? You don't have no reason for him no respect you. You don't have no reason for your son no respect you. He's not a poor man. Even if you did poor, or him didn't know you poor. A matter of fact, that little boy don't know when you did poor. No sense. You know, see it? From him, from you sing when you just start singing my baby. Big idiot, worthless boy, I think that you keep up Mavado. I can't rate you again for that. If Dontae get off tomorrow, whether you may beg you sing some new song and try push you for you sing some new song, your friend them bloop and go on like a good encouragement me I give you. If you start muggle and post man people carry, you get to you the wrong impression. You get to you the wrong impression. The new singer them and the little one them will just come up. You know, see it. Oh, you know, post like some empty land over America, they look upon it and show them how you invest your money wisely in some property where can only go up. You post get a youth to get a youth in front of a car where you buy the car today and the value drop. The hour the key dropping in your hand, the value gone down. You know, see, what kind of investment them there, what kind of approach them there to life, you show the youth them. And the wickedest thing, you don't need to do that. Because you never do nothing like that for reach where you there. But a bad mind, you know, see it, and wanna be the only one. That's why you're willing to sacrifice all your picnic. You know, see it. For that. Middle A little addy and uno little one. Uno use this as Mark 10. You know see, because the system is not balanced either. You know see, the system this was designed against you all. You know see it, on the biggest enemy. When you do get away from it, because it lackadaisy and can't bother sometimes some guy lazy. Look at the draw and them thing there. You know see it. But you not prepare to deal with the system. Because even look at Mavado so much liar him have. You know see it. And it look like one at a time the liar them not press on the facts so well then. Then man I do so much thing to your son and you just sit down there and watch to the weakness. Them not press the weakness. You know look like. You understand what I say? I mean the weakness I describe about 15, 20 to 30 minutes what are happenings. You know see it? And him just sit down there and watch. You know the midst of it. You know see it? People all ask if him for dead. And a man said no. And all them time that you still not come to the realization. Come out of the shock and know so rascal me in a danger I'm for move. The man them all that one dead for dead. None of them because then at the day would have to find out them thing there. You know see it? Them thing they need. You know see it? You know see it? The facts are well and them work out the whole case that the youth is the leader of the pack. The youngest one is the leader of the pack. You know see it? And it's gonna work a way whereby it look like so well and him father have the money and the riches. You know see it? So to this degree again this look like it's not done for Mavado neither, you know. You know see it? Because me so them want him on some sort of questioning and thing like that. You know see it? And for him son involved and get conviction like that. You don't know the whole thing is like so well then conspiracy because as him son go to work under them shoot after Mavado earlier and him son go. I try to chop off all the money that talk about the boss want the head and all them thing there. You know see it? Oh my son, if I go make them representation on my behalf and me not dead or they are prison. All if me they are prison. Because one thing is Pitney try honor them parents. Respectable parents. Here, Pitney have anytime you Pitney do them things with them parents or want them do them now no respect for the parents. You know see it? And the parents' fault. And not the child fault. The child they even know same now no respect for the parents. They don't know if to work out the emotion yet. You know see it? But the parents know. You know see it? I'm gonna still go on like I'm friend. I say you desperate for friend. It looks so. Because look, a whole community come out against you, Mavado, the whole stamp pipe where you born and grow. Come out against you like that. You must not have a friend. And your son or your friend. Where you confide in and you're confidant. You know see, your whole MO reek of selfishness. That's why you're not it again. You know see it? Because you burn bad lamp and dash dirty water in the songwriter at them face. You know see it? Through big ego. And your MO, everybody says so. Everybody in all them Marcus says so already here. You're ungrateful. You must say you're ungrateful, but to do your own talk, me no say you're ungrateful. And that me pick up from the argument. You know see it? And I go to the same way you deal with the community why it could have turned against you. Because again, if you are going to be a man, name where you will name, and your son have a step in a gang, suppose him did go face gunshot and dead. Unless I be alive, everybody I tell upon you and your son. See? Which is a strong possibility again because you know so the justice system corrupt like that, especially when them move after somebody with a certain level of prominence and a certain level of influence, especially somebody from the ghetto. You know, see, we know them sick like that because Jamaica in a depraved state of crime. See? So, to them international counterpart and them sponsors, them have to look like them do a job. Look like them do something. You know, see, so when them get the opportunity for move at a high profile ghetto boy, them take it. And them a run with both hands. You know see? So the evidence kind of overwhelming according to how it sound. It sound too detailed to me. Because again, it really hard to stand up and watch your pick me a dead. It hard to stand up and watch your pick me a dead, Rasta. You know see it? When things like that are happening, you see parents dead too. I fight the man or woman I go fight for defend them picnics like a reaction. Where you am I worse or the worst nightmare them that me have, you know? Me and my pick them and make a move or I go somewhere or something and something pop up. When me I feel grab them and I take care of them. Am I worse literally in my dream? Am I the worst nightmare that me can have? You see it? Me no mind in a shootout or being hunted. Me no mind. Like at the me say heart really at me dying for wake up from them dream there. You know see? So me no know how me I sit down like that really and just make people hurt my picnic know and say well then my picnic. Them all hurt. You know see? Mavado them and your son jump off the you know earlier on in the day. See? And you go in your yard and when you go through your gate you see Mavado son stand up at the gate and Mavado crew. And you not try make a message reach to your picnic and make him know say if the turn way in there, not come nowhere near you, sir. Eh? The whole thing reek of corruption. But again, yeah, Mavado's son should have never been able to put Mavado's son on the crime scene there. You understand what I say? Even if them want to call film name and say yeah, him did there, Mavado should have some sort of way how him can prove say a lie. Because if him never dead, him just never dead. And them they always have them little smartphone, them tablet and them little thing they do, them little thing. You know see it? So it's easy to link them in a different location from there. So you know see it? People just shoot after me. Where me? I left my picnic in the gun. Eh? Where my pick? Mavado is a worthless boy. You hear me I say? I'm very soon your son will realize that you all grew up and don't have no respect for you. You know see? Because a big idiot thing that. Big idiot thing. You know see? And the first thing you do, all the wings of the morning. You fly out. You know see? You fly out and left your youth tonight. Little boy lose him life. Little boy we should have approach university and know with all of the resources them and the money where you have. You see, your intention should use your son as an example to other ghetto youth like where every other respectful entertainer do. But you don't know the value of education. You see, because if you didn't know the value of education, you don't know so you can't, you're not literate enough to write the type of song them where the market desire. And you don't see the value of the literature them around you, the writer them around you. You don't know them value. You know see? Really and truly is a lucky shot and a mean boy. You see everything so you're able to you know see nothing wrong with that. I don't say you should have kind. You know see. But I say you reach where you're not in a headspace, you're not in a brain, you're only mean. You no shark that course there. You know sit down and plan that course there. You just mean and reserve everything until you can do something where you just, say, you sing some good song and you tour and rate it. And you give nobody nothing and you spend nothing. That's why half a cassava piece eat you. No disrespect. He's a worthless boy. I'm disappointed. I'm vexed with a box you. You think I lie, me I tell? With a box in your face. And me take coal out of him yard, yeah? Father coal. Yeah? Me take him out of him yard. So you know you that it's a decent box you get. Anybody in my place can tell you so when them on your box boy, it's a serious box boy get. Some of that glad to give you one. Now preach or promote no violence. But again, he will lose his life. You know see? With a worthless father, you don't know anyway, I want a long still, you know see. Share, like, and subscribe. More bless my people. Big up Rockford every time and all of the people in the thing. Just stay safe and keep it peaceful. You know, see it, make some dialogue, reach out some people who can connect with everybody and make them do the dialogue in phone if you have no disagreement and them make a thing there. Sometimes some simple things cause big blow out of proportion, simple misunderstanding. A man say a word bad, a man spell a word bad, a man leave out a apostrophe or something like that. You know, see it, and a big misunderstanding. So remember the simplicity of life. Simple things are simple things. Don't make it get to big things. Mad love, Rastafari.